ABC Transport PLC. Owner Frank Nnewi. Founded in 1993, ABC Transport is a pioneer in luxury intercity bus services in Nigeria. With routes across West Africa, Togo, Ghana, Cote d'Ivoire, ABC offers couch services, haulage, shuttle, and logistics. It's publicly listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange and was the first Nigerian to adopt the coach-style mass transit model.
As one of the most diversified transport operators in the sub-region of West Africa. ABC started out with a sole focus on passenger services. And today, they've gone even further to become a household name that provides people and businesses with convenience in getting themselves and their goods to wherever they need to be, in comfort and safety and on time. The management of ABC has a clear vision that incorporates significant growth objectives to ensure that ABC Transport remains the foremost coach operator and logistics support provider. The company's vision is to become globally competitive, and it has outlined a strategic expansion plan aimed at attaining increasing levels of growth in both turnover and profitability. ABC is working relentlessly on building additional bus terminals and workshops, as well as upgrading existing ones and expanding and enhancing its fleet size. ABC Transport will continue to engage in activities aimed at improving the quality of service rendered to its customers, while increasing value to its stakeholders and encouraging practices which continue to preserve the environment. This will be done through constant research and innovation. ABC Transport, your passport to service.
GEO Transport. GEO Transport is owned by Chief Godwin Obaka Okeke. The company started in the 1980s. GEO has grown into a pan-West African transport network. It offers luxury bus services to over 200 destinations in Nigeria and West Africa. Strong in logistics and courier services, known for good safety and wide coverage.
While they're on the trip, before we started using Paystack, payment online was a problem for us. We had a platform where most times transaction fails and we don't get to know about them. The customers go to the terminal with the mindset that they've successfully bought their tickets and they have a seat in the bus. On getting to the terminal, they realize that, oh, my payment was not successful, but I was charged. And for us to go back to the payment platform to verify what had happened with them, it's a problem for us. We had zero support. I discovered Paystack after a meeting that I had with a couple of colleagues at the office. We were looking at how to streamline our online payment. We chose Paystack because of their customer care support. After registering, I got a call from somebody who was my account officer. He has been very helpful. From the start to where we are now, he has been exceptional. I don't have to worry about verifying transactions most of the time. Successful transactions get pushed to us directly via webhook. That way, at every point in time, our system is aware of transactions that people made online. We are now able to have customers book easily, and that way we can verify their transactions as fast as we can. It has impacted our business positively.
Yago Motors. It was founded by the late Edwin Ajeri and currently run by his son Chidi Ajeri. The company was established in 1998 and rebranded and modernized under the younger Chidi Ajeri. It is known to be Nigeria's most tech-driven road transport company, God is Good Motor services routes within Nigeria and across West Africa. It is also known to have a vehicle rental and logistic arm.
We basically have a technology that we have built and developed in-house that basically runs all our operations for us at God is Good Motors. From the people who sell tickets and the guys who we call the field staff, even our drivers, we call them captains. We send them to places like South Africa. Part of the reasons why we do our training abroad also is to be able to get them to familiarize with how a modern day transportation actually functions.
Yago Motors owner Chief Vincent Obianodu. The Yago Motors started in 1972 with a few minibuses. The company is a major interstate and international transport brand in Nigeria. It runs services to Ghana, Togo, and Benin. It also owns haulage, hotels, and hospitality arms.
Is the owner of Rockview Hotels, a trusted hospitality brand with 5 branches across Lagos, Owerri, and Abuja. He is also the owner of Vini Gas Nigeria Limited, an LPG company with 5 branches across Lagos, Nasarawa.
Peacemass Transit. It is owned by Dr. Maduka Onyushi. It was founded in 1996 in Enugu State with just 2 buses. Now, it stands to be one of Nigeria's largest fleets of operators with over 2,000 buses. While mainly local, Peacemass Transit has extended into West African routes. It has diversified into oil, publishing, and education.
Engine capacity. So go ahead and book your trip online at www.pmt.ng or visit www.peacegroup.ng. Peacemass Transit. Your safety and comfort is our concern.
Chiscoco Transport, owned by Dr. Chidi Anyebu, started in 1978 as a small trading business. It grew into one of Nigeria's largest transport firms, operates over 500 fleets of vehicles across West Africa, offers intercity and international bus transport, courier and logistics, strong presence in Ghana, Benin, Togo. Ekerson Bros Nigeria Limited, owned by Chief Eugene Ojukwu. The company was founded in the 1980s in eastern Nigeria. Ekerson Bros Nigeria Limited specializes in long-distance and cross-border transport. Its services include courier, cargo handling, and West African couch operations.